course number 1, we are going to go over how to print, save your file, print in different sizes, multiple sheets, and edit on your computer. Now, the file comes to you as a PDF, and you're able to download the whole thing together. And when you the option for the whole planner is editable. The ones that come in the single pages are not, and editable means that when you upload it to your computer, you are able to click on spaces, add text by typing, and then print it. The versions that are single pages or in mini groups, those are not editable, but you can print them and write using pencil or paper or pen. So anyways, I thought I'd go over really quick what the editable planner is like. So I'm using the Adobe Reader, which is a free program that you can pick up and download. I would recommend that one. It uploads PDFs awesomely and super easy, and everything goes smooth. And so I've already opened it, but just in case, you click on File and then Open, and then you go ahead and find where you saved your document, and then upload that file. So I already have that open, so I'm going to cancel that and just show you what the editable pages mean. So as you can see, I'm scrolling down. There's the first page and the intro page, letting you know what it is. This has been customized for you, so that just means that you can customize it yourself. Now you notice that there's kind of a bluish area over these numbers. If I click it, and you can notice that when I highlight it, it says go to page 13. So if I click on this, it will scroll me all the way down to the Be Your Own Designer section. So I'm not going to click on those, but you can see that you can quickly run to the area that you're looking for. Now here we go to the first journaling pages, and you notice that these are in blue. The blue area means that when you click on it, you can add text to the section. Okay, and then when you go down to the next page, see all these blue areas, same thing. You can add your text. Now this comes in really handy when you are starting to put together your planners or trackers. So you can easily add the quilt name. So Flying Geese lap quilt. I'm just going to name that one. And then my pattern name is going to be Flying Geese. The designer, I don't know how to spell geese, there you go. The designer is Becky. And location, that could be your magazine, year, or specific book, something like that. So it's easy to find if you misplace or set aside the pattern and you don't really know what it is going to be like. Finished size, you can put in, 77 by 79 or whatever you think. What color thread you're going to be using, what fiber, weight, any kind of notes that you need to add. Let's see, change thread for applique, something like that. You can do sashings, borders, anyways, you can just add and make any changes that you want. Now say that I'm all done and I'm ready to print this. I have a couple options. You can print the full document. So if you look where my arrow is, it's highlighting pages to print. And I can either have all of it or my current page, or I can say, you know what, I only want to print pages 5 to 7. And that'll show you in the preview area what page 5 looks like. Right here at the printer, I want to make sure that I choose my printer that my computer is set up to print with. Okay. It's already PDF, so you don't need to print it to a PDF. You just need to choose the printer that you're printing to. You can choose your size. If you want to auto have it directional for you, so it's just going to read that this is a portrait. If there was a page that was long and it was landscape, it would automatically go to that. You can print in grayscale right here where my arrow is. If you click that, it automatically goes to a black and white version. So if you're printing a colored version, but you don't want to print the color this time, you just want it grayscale, but want the designs, just go ahead and click that and it'll do grayscale. And then when you're ready, you can go ahead and click on the print button. So that is how you print your document. Now, if you're looking to save your document, you need to go to File, and I would recommend using the Save As. If you click on Save, whatever you have edited or updated on this file will copy on top of your original file. So you want to make sure that you click on Save As. That way you can save it as a different page name. So I'm going to go ahead, I clicked on that Save As, and then I want to put it in my documents, and then I'm going to pick a new folder, and this will be like Patchwork Planner pages. So I'm going to open that up. So I've made a file for all my pages. I want to highlight this and I want to name it something else. So I could do Flying Geese Quilt. And then I click on Save. This will save what I've just edited in a new file. So again, quickly, you click on File and you click on Save As. Now if you notice, it's already named it right here, Flying Geese Quilt.pdf. Now if I go into File, or let's see, I can quickly save this by clicking on the Save File little icon, the little disk. And that will save it as the new name that I've given it. It will not save it over on top of the original because I've already saved it once as the new name. Alright, so that is how you save your file. And that is how you print your file. And then we've gone over how you can print either the full one or multiple sheets and how you can edit it on your computer. Alright, now that we've gone over those, I just wanted to show you quickly how you can change and kind of play around with your printing settings. If the file comes in a smaller format, it will print in that format, but maybe you want to print in a different format. So here we go. So I'm going to choose my correct printer that I want to print on. I'm going to choose the pages that I'm going to be doing. So let's say 5 through 8, and then I can play with the page setup. Now this one, the Adobe has an option for multiple. That just means that you can print off multiple pages of the planner on one page that you're printing on. So if you can see, I've got page 5 here, 6, 7, and 8. It's going to go ahead and fill up the page, and then you can cut those in between. It does make them a little smaller, but if you're able to read it and it works out for what you're looking for and size of binder that you're going to be working with, go ahead and play with the layouts. There's also a booklet option, so you can print 2 pages per one paper. So, and then it will leave you or let you have an option of where you're going to put your binding edge. This is perfect if you're going to be sending this file off to be printed. It will allow the binder to not be cutting into your print. So that is all. If you've got any questions, you can drop it into the forum. We can help you out there. But you're able to explore a few of those different items, and this is the end of course 1, and we will see you next time.